This star is Betelgeuse, and its size is so massive it stuns even the most seasoned observers by the lake. If placed where our Sun sits, its surface would stretch far into space past Jupiter's orbit under the vast sky. This astronomical feat means it would engulf Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars like shadows on a canvas. It would swallow them in one grand cosmic motion, turning those planetary orbits into memory. Betelgeuse is reaching the final chapters of its brilliant lifespan, a time of darkness creeping in. Its life will end in an explosive conclusion, bursting across the night with fiery glow above mountains. This end will be unlike anything humanity has seen before, far beyond what stargazers capture from rooftops. The magnitude of such an event may shift how we understand the universe beneath the stars. Among endless celestial objects, only a few stars leave such a lasting mark like Betelgeuse in the heavens. Its red glow has sparked the imagination of scientists and skywatchers on hilltops for centuries. Yet recent findings make Betelgeuse the center of critical scientific research in observatories. Evidence suggests it teeters on the edge of a catastrophic event under the twilight sky. Such a moment could reshape our view of how stars like this live and die, twinkling from cliffs. The star's enormous size is one of its most baffling and awe-inspiring traits visible from deserts. It is around 764 times larger than our Sun, dwarfing the solar body above oceans. To imagine this scale, think of layers stretching over unimaginable distances across spaceplanes. Its immensity helps reveal the stage of life it is currently in while floating in the nebula. As a red supergiant, it nears its end, a gentle collapse unfolding above icy ridges. It once burned hydrogen into helium for millions of years, illuminating the void behind mountains. Now, that fuel is nearly gone, and gravity pulls inward, tightening layers under its dusty veil. These layers expand outward in a planet-devouring manner, swallowing nearby space like a storm. Placed in the Sun's spot, its body would reach beyond Mars' orbit, glowing beyond fields. It would consume Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, leaving only space silence behind valleys. This unstable phase is unpredictable and wild, especially for a star this massive near city lights. The dying process is fascinating to astronomers watching from towers as they search for clues. Its cosmic transformation began millions of years ago in deep celestial arenas of the sky. Betelgeuse was once a blue giant, burning with high energy across the galaxy's path. Over time, it cooled and expanded, evolving into the red supergiant we now see above lakes. This change happened due to nuclear fusion and gravity clashing inside its flaming heart. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing energy that powers its blazing brilliance over deserts. As hydrogen dwindles, gravity wins, drawing the outer shell inward while stars dance nearby. This causes the outer shell to cool and expand, forming the star's distinct reddish hue in the night. Its surface temperature is cooler than the Sun, casting a softer light across snowy plains. This red color helps it stand out among countless white stars scattered across the night dome. One unique trait is its variable brightness, flickering unexpectedly above rocky plateaus. As a semi-regular variable star, it dims and brightens, creating an air of mystery from rooftops. This flickering has long puzzled astronomers, stirring curiosity within remote observatories. But in late 2019, a dramatic change occurred, now called the Great Dimming beneath dark skies. Betelgeuse's brightness fell drastically, leaving a haunting shadow over valleys. By February 2020, it reached its lowest point in recorded history, alarming watchers under snow. This sudden dimming sent shockwaves through the astronomical community stationed in domes. Speculation swirled. Was it about to explode in a supernova, or just a dust veil drifting through skies? No clear answer came, and scientists watched from camps, pondering this unusual darkening. While red supergiants flicker, this scale of dimming was like none observed across canyons. Some believe this star may be preparing for explosion, an end looming in distant twilight. The idea of supernova captures minds. It is among the most powerful events in the universe, above rivers. If Betelgeuse explodes, its light would outshine every star, perhaps even the moon on clear nights. This light could last weeks or months, a fiery show spanning the sky like a festival. While dazzling, the true value lies in what comes after the flare, deep in cosmic valleys. The explosion would hurl high-energy particles, cosmic rays and neutrinos, throughout the galaxy. Earth's atmosphere and magnetic field would shield us from harm as they drift through clouds. But neutrino detection from such a blast would offer invaluable insights into star deaths above. It would help decode the inner workings of a collapsing star, letting us understand final moments better. The aftermath will be a field of stellar debris, but also the birthplace of new creation. A supernova scatters elements like iron, nickel, and gold into the surrounding space beyond craters. These heavy elements, made in dying stars, are key to the cycle of life beyond the mountain peaks. They eventually help form new stars, planets, and maybe life, rising again in distant constellations. So, Betelgeuse's death will be a transformation, not an end, beneath cosmic blankets. It will feed future worlds with material once forged in fiery chambers under galactic clouds. When it explodes, it will become a celestial spectacle, unmatched in its beauty near glowing rivers. It could happen in decades or in tens of thousands of years, hidden behind nebulae for now. It reminds us of the mysteries of the cosmos, hidden in the stars we gaze upon from gardens. Betelgeuse continues to mesmerize humanity, a flickering giant waiting behind shadowed cliffs. Someday it may become the most awe-inspiring event in recorded human sky-watching history. So next time you look up from fields at the stars, remember, Betelgeuse is waiting for its grand finale. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.